Hi, I'm Thatiana. Welcome to my home. This is a shoes off household, so be sure to take off your shoes, but also be sure to subscribe below. Come on. I'm a beauty writer born and raised in New York. I live in Harrison, New Jersey. I moved here because I was looking to escape the high rent of New York City. So me and my boyfriend decided to move to New Jersey where there was more affordable apartments, and we found a beautiful 3-bedroom that we knew that we could not pass on. The office right now is just set up for my boyfriend. It's very bland. It's just a desk and a calendar, and I feel like it really could use some light, color, and feel just as homey as the rest of the apartment. So today we're transforming our office into a coexisting creative space that has a beauty station, and we're doing it under a budget of $500 with 3 price points of $100, $150, and $250. So let's get to it. To start off, I'm focusing on organization with the price point of $100. First, I'll be going through all my products and seeing what I can donate or recycle, and then from there, I will be building drawers and putting the products that I am keeping into those drawers with dividers. It's a lot of pieces, so we'll see how this goes. I'm really excited to transform this space because it's gonna inspire me, in which I will be able to inspire others with my job. I used to break out in high school, and I really wanted to find the right products, and in doing that I would go to the drugstore, I would look at the back of the packaging, look up the ingredients, and for me that really sparked my interest in skincare. I started doing pageants at the age of 15. I was Miss New York Teen USA, and I became obsessed with makeup. I just feel like there's so much more pieces. Alarming how many pieces there are. Under $100, I was able to organize all my products, and now I have so much space. A lot cleaner. Let's go to the next step. We're focusing on inspiration with the budget of $150. I am measuring out the contact paper to be the length of the wall. Don't make fun of my cutting skills. So this contact paper was a little long, so I had to step out and cut them, and now we have them all set and ready for each of the 6 strips. I love this wall. So I have a photo from the first day I was crowned Miss New York, and I feel like it really adds to what this station means to me and getting started in beauty. And then I have one of my favorite photos of me and my boyfriend, which was taken at the Brooklyn Bridge Park, along with my new real plant. I remember having a vanity when I was younger. It was like this Barbie vanity thing. One of my favorite pieces that I snagged was this hand-woven multicolored rug that was only $40. For just $150, I was able to transform this space into something that I could have never imagined.
Oh, this is really nice.
You have some color on your slide.
At least I get something.
For the last step, we're at a budget of $250, and I'm hanging up a mirror and getting those fancy lights around them, a ring light, and finally getting a chair. When I tell you guys, I did not have a chair, and I used to do my makeup standing up, so this is huge. What I love about these is that you just stick them on. This is the ring light, and this is gonna help me not only just do my makeup with brighter lights, but also produce content for social media. Ah! I love this. I can see myself working here, doing my makeup, doing just anything. I don't see myself even leaving this area. That last phase was $250, which I found to be really impressive, thinking that you have a ring light and you have lights and a mirror. Altogether, that makes for a total of $500. And to me, with how much this room has transformed and how different it looks. It just feels like a whole new room. The lighting is beautiful. The color on the wall just like takes you to the Caribbean. I just can't wait to do my makeup. I can't wait to work here. I can't wait to create content. It's exciting. Hi everyone, I am trying out a new product that I am loving and I wanted to tell you guys about. It's like full circle being able to have my vanity as an adult. That's not like a toy, it's like my area. This is like exactly what I wanted creativity wise, and it's just like small changes like this really do make a difference. This is a dream come true. Thank you so much for following along on this journey. To subscribe to Refinery29, click here, and to watch other videos, click here.